Right guys, how's it going? Quick pocket dump, midweek pocket dump here. Yeah, we got the Spyderco Yo Jumbo, 4-inch blade, one cliff, beautiful blade, American made in Colorado. Also carrying the K-Bar Dozier, good little work knife, inexpensive, great little knife, little lockback. And also carrying the $6 holler from Walmart, the Axis lock, Ozark Trail, awesome little knife, love this thing. Bought a bunch of these, given some away as gifts, and I got a spare for myself as well. That's it, that's what I'm carrying. Let me know what you're carrying in the comments. Hope you guys having a great week. Catch you later.